Do do do, yeah, da 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 da. So yeah.
Cool.
So yeah, we're gonna go out to. Oh, every way.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's. Get some sleep, buddy.
You get whiplash trying to fall asleep.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, well, I was trying to spare you.
Yeah, I know. Spare you the
embarrassment.
The video clip we're going to be showing you in 10 years.
He doesn't.
I rolled back on his head again. Forget it.
Oh my god.
Eyes are rolling into the back of his head.
It's funny in so many ways.
Relaxed him? No, I think it made him tired.
I'm crying. This is so funny.
That walk?
Oh, wow.
That was a longer walk
Yeah.
than he's probably ever been on.
But he makes it to a certain point, and he's able, like, you think he'd crash down. Ooh, that was it.
That didn't feel good.
You know?
She's okay.
That didn't do anything. Yeah, he's going.
Go catch him.
Oh, man.
Tony's gonna love this. Hey,
Oh, my
hey, babe. We should put this on your computer and email it to Tony.
Yeah, we could do that.
Oh, he would love that. He would
Yeah.
love getting a video.
Yeah.
Too freaking funny.
It's hilarious.
I didn't even notice. Who noticed he was falling asleep? You?
I've never seen a kid go this long.
It's not happening.
No.
It's like a once in a year event here.
Did you notice he was? Were you the one that noticed?
No, he's gonna pick back up. There he goes. We're like narrating it, and he's still going.
And now he bobs to the right.
He's still looking. He doesn't care. His eyes.
He bobs to the left.
Closes them right
I
back.
tried to spare him.
Yeah.
I tried to get him in the bed.
Yeah, you tried to be a good mom, and you didn't want to accept it.
Oh, this is so funny.
Well, it's a trip. He opened his eyes and looked at Cheryl, and then he went back to. Uh-oh.
Are you done?
It looks like Exorcist.
Yeah, Exorcist was all thinking.
His eyes roll in the back of his head. That's
Do you want me to take you
scary.
to lay down in bed? You're
Just
falling
go.
asleep.
Yeah, get some bed. There you go. Yeah, game over.
Game over.
He gives up.
Game on. Game off.
She's probably loving the big pillows.
And he is out.